even get to bras.
User Review 1. Writing this review after 45 days of usage. First of all, it's difficult to find a purifier with RO plus of at this price point. That too from a reliable brand. The water tastes sweet after purification, which is really good. As usual, quick delivery by Flipkart. Good installation support by the brand as well. Overall, it's a great product and worth every penny spent. User Review 2. Very good product. First of all, thanks to Flipkart for such a super fast delivery, just in a day that the product was delivered. Secondly, the Livpure service is also awesome so far. Just I had to request for the installation. They immediately sent their service engineer who did the installation as free of cost. Product quality too also awesome. In short, it's the best value for money product. User Review 3. Product is good, but while installation TDS level measurement should be made compulsory. Otherwise, customer may not know how it works. Service personnel should be given strict instructions on that. User Review 4. Well, latest one with affordable price. Instead of spending 500 rupees monthly for water can, better you go for this on ME spending 750 rupees. The difference of taste sure you will feel. It suits well for borewell water. Stay healthy for an affordable price. Thanks Flipkart for the offers you provide. Cheers. User Review 5. Best at this price point. No second thought before buying until and unless you have a bad luck, because by statistical quality control a lot may have some defective product and you may be the unlucky one to get that. Kent, Eureka fobs are good, but this is best at this price point. Go for it.